Hello guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine and good. Welcome to our channel, Engineer Ansar Ahmad Official. Today our topic is how to make and cure standard test cylinders in the field. Here are some steps to make and cure standard concrete test cylinders or cubes in the field. Number 1. Obtain a representative concrete sample from the revolving drum truck mixer. Number 2. Transport samples to the place of testing and remix it to form a composite sample. Number 3. Obtain the concrete samples within 15 minutes from the start of sampling. Number 4. Start molding cylinders or cubes within 15 minutes after fabricating the composite sample. This is molding concrete cylinder and this is molding concrete cubes. Number 6. Using a screw place concrete in the cylinder or cubes. For 6 by 12 inches mold, place the concrete in 3 equal layers, i.e. 1 by 3 of the volume of concrete per layer. For 4 by 8 inch mold, place the concrete in 2 equal layers, i.e. 1 by 2 of the volume of concrete per layer. This is 6 by 12 inches mold. And this is 4 by 8 inch mold. Number 7. Rod each layer 25 times throughout the layer depth, distributing the roddings uniformly over the cross section. This is rodding concrete. Number 8. For 6 by 12 inches mold, use a 5 by 8 inch diameter tamping rod and a 3 by 8 inches diameter rod for 4 by 8 inch mold. Number 9. Lightly tape the outside of the mold 10 to 15 times with a rubber mallet to close the voids left by tamping rod. Number 10. Strike off the surface with the tamping rod, handle held flat or trowel to produce a flat, even surface. Number 11. Install the mold caps and move the cylinders to an initial curing place for storage. Number 12. For initial curing, store cylinders for a period up to 48 hours and a temperature ranges from 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and protect them from the moisture loss. For concrete with a specified strength of 6000 psi or greater, the initial curing temperature ranges from 68 to 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 13. After initial curing and within 30 minutes upon removal from the mold, start final curing by storing cylinder in a wet environment at a temperature of 73.5 plus minus 3.5 degrees Fahrenheit until tested. This is testing of concrete. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you have enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.